So I hear you saying that creative is like the new targeting, but like what does that actually mean? Like how does Meta actually know who to show my ads to?
Truthfully, this is probably the most misunderstood part of the Andromeda update. When you use broad targeting on your ads, you're not telling Meta to show your ads to everyone. You're telling Meta to use predictive sorting based off of the content of your video. So when you upload your video into Facebook, there's actually an AI that will watch your video, and it goes through these 3 steps. So number 1 is visual recognition. So like let's say it sees like a laptop, or if it sees a professional setting, it sees you at a desk. It knows that this is for business owners, right? It can tell based off of the actual environment of the video. After that, the AI uses audio transcript. So it literally downloads the audio script and transcribes it so that it can have a clear understanding of who your ad's actually for. So if in the first like 5 seconds you're mentioning scaling, business owners, it's gonna show that to people who actually have interest in that stuff. Rather, if you're talking about fitness in the first 5 to 10 seconds, it's more than likely gonna promote your ads to people who have that interest. And the last part to this is what we call the engagement vector, and truthfully, this is the most important. So the way you wanna think about this is when you launch your ad, Meta will show your ad to what they call a small seed audience. So let's say you open up your video by talking about growing and scaling businesses, and a 19-year-old gamer scrolls past that, but a 35-year-old consultant stops to watch it. Meta records that stop, and it creates a profile of that person, and it says, let's show our ads to more people exactly like this. So then after that seed audience, it's gonna find 1,000 more people that look exactly like that second person, not that gamer that scrolled by. What it's gonna do is disqualify people like that, and it's gonna bring in more people who actually stopped on the scroll of your post. Now, this is why it's very specific to have different creative targeting. Because of the Andromeda update, creative matter more than ever. Now, AI is actually able to find your video and put it in front of the right people. So the reason why broad targeting is working so well is because you don't wanna be working against Meta's algorithm. You don't wanna be working and using a playbook that was designed for 2022. So when you go and actually create your ads, focus on having multiple different angles of your ads. That includes different pain points, different hooks, different belief shifts, and a different call to action on each and every single video. That way, you're able to find your winning angle and reproduce that winner and see great results.